Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Dehlia. If you are new here, welcome to our family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified when we put out videos. So today I'll be watching a video from one of my favorite YouTube couple called King and Shay. Now I see where the title is I accidentally got a girl pregnant. Now I know that this prank is going to be a banger. I've tried not to watch it because I want to record this reaction to it. So I am dying to watch it. So guys, let's get into this video. I can't wait. I just know the only go dead.
What's going on, guys? This your boy King, guys. Alright guys, every day this is Shay a prank for me, bang up for me, and them thing the guys. So we have an epic one for Shay, guys. That's what I can see. Watch what I go on. Third. So anyway guys, what I'm gonna do right now, guys. The beautiful lady here, and the nice skin girl here, and the clean skin girl here. So guys, I'll get Shay right now. So she now gonna come to me now, find my yard. My friend gonna make she find my yard. And she gonna tell Shay, say boy, like she come to me, because I know Shay come out, so I'm gonna tell Shay, say boy, one woman out there to me. So me now, I deal it. So me now, she know, guys, what she's gonna do, she's gonna tell Shay that me get a pitney with her, and me give her $30,000 last month, and nothing more pitney want pampers, pitney want tea, pitney want feed, you know, baby a 3-year-old in here.
Why, Onil, why? What make? No dog. You know that she go kill you. You know that she just go kill you. Lord of God.
No. 1 year old and 7 months. 1 year old and 9.
Then we should show how old.
1 year old and 9 months the baby baby. And the baby eat now. You see me I say? Yeah. And that tells me that you rent this month and rent Facebook, you know. I'm going to play this month and everything there. And you know you see me I say landlord party you and you want to walk on and everything the guys. Please do guys like, comment, subscribe and share. Where Instagram?
Instagram.
You know Instagram?
Yeah, but me now.
You know post picture?
No.
Where Instagram?
Never remember.
Yeah. Anyway guys, there are people that remember their social media. So I'm more time remember say I can understand. So yo, they don't move it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you go call in and tell them when to forward in, you see me? I go in a room, and somebody come call me up like one woman come to me. You see me? I say, yo, you be serious man, no laughing, you're not chatting. Yo, you don't have a knife in your hand. Give me a chip. Give me a chip. So you guys. Rush Gala and the camera now fast, guys. You know, it's a banner and Shay. Guys, and like, comment, subscribe and share, guys. The one you're gonna be mad. The one you're gonna be epic. Alright, guys. I'm gonna line up the camera now.
Oh, wish. This not go end well, you know? This not go end well. We don't know why. Why O'Neil? What? This not go end well. Alright. No. What you browning, she know? So only that takes so long to come out. Hey? Yes, what Shay? Oh God. Brownie in a character though. But he's dead now. Jesus Christ. Yeah, what's up? Wanna tell me? Did she just say come have sex? Oh God. It's not going to end well. Me not lie, Brownie our buzz. Brownie I really be with my dad. Nobody can't tell me some Brownie never done this before in real life. Oh God. You see your friggin' face? What you do? So them get engaged that day and she fling off her ring and know, right? See it? Good. So she go put you out. You little fart. Tell her it's your prank now, no? Hey, wanna tell her it's your prank now, no? Oh, man. That's what you should. Tell her say she go put your she ask for your clothes.
Where's that?
Oh. Oh. Oh God, they can't dress your prank now. Oh God, me feel it. Oh God, you see how they gang up on Shay? Oh God. But you see when Shay come back, it go wicked. Only better can't angle it. You know dishy, hope you can't angle it.
How is it? Sashay?
What's she face? Oh.
Jesus Christ. What is going to tell you? I'm just saying, no, I'm going to be so much. Okay, you see, I get mad for me. I come out there, I was going to get mad for me. If I'm mad, I'm planning. But man. What was she do?
Team Shay, we say what Shay, they want to bad now, man. I'm help on you.
Okay. Yo, Eddie. If you never want to be going to work on there, I'll touch for them to the bank. Touch for them to the bank. I'll get this one. Yo.
You don't see me at the dog too.
I'm your dog too. Sashay, babes, come here, babes. I own a pants and so say, come, babes. Come, Sashay, I team Shay.
A team Shay, we say. Come here.
Come, babes, come. Come. Come, Sashay, man, come.
Sashay, how you feel about me? You see me already. Hey, we take picture. How you feel about me?
Sashay, so, how do you feel about this one, mate? Thank you, Depper, then. Thank you, uncle, did a good
Me not lie, guys. The prank here, banger, banger. Me love this prank. Me not even know what it's about it. The prank I did just. It perfectly executed, perfectly planned. At one, it just feel real at one point. Like, this start feel sorry for Shay. But yeah, guys, I hope to do lots more reaction videos for you. I'm gonna try to get more consistent. I know I'm always saying that, but I'm gonna try. If you like this video, please comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get all my videos when I upload them. Until next time, guys, bye.